Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to manually sync Evernote on Windows. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Evernote, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, to manually sync Evernote on Windows, there are a couple of ways to achieve this. Number one option is if you are using the Evernote on web, the web version, I want you to hover to the upper left corner where you can see your profile icon. There is like a three dots button here, there, and click the settings. And now you need to hover to the devices because for one, right now, I'm using the Evernote web, and of course, I am also using the desktop application. All right, so that's when make sure that these are connected. All right, because it's automatically synced to the Windows. Now, after that, hover to your desktop application, which is going to be this one. All right, now the manually syncing here on the desktop is kind of different because if you go, you're not going to be able to go to the settings right here. All right. You see, there is an option here that says sync folders, right? And all we have to do is connect a folder. Click this button. Now the folder has been connected or synced here. All right. And the devices is automatically the web and the desktop version. So that's two ways. Now, if you hover to your mobile device, you just simply need to go to the top left corner, similarly to the settings. You see there should be an option that says sync. All right. If I do that, if I click on that sync now, what will happen is it will sync is completed and then it will be synced to all your devices and platform to your account. All right. It's kind of that easy. And again, after syncing, Evernote should display a sync status or confirmation that everything is up to date. Go to sync. Click on the sync now. It's very easy. Sync is complete. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.